Barnaby! Where the is Barnaby? Man, get those crystals out of you! Go in the vat of alcohol right now! When I find Barnaby! He's in my mouth because you put him in there! Give me my Barnaby! There's Barnaby.
I ate him.
You ate Barnaby?
No, I was joking!
I hate joking! I mean, I hate fish! I mean, I hate you! He died. I'm alive! I hate dying!
Why can't we just all be
Barnaby.
Why can't we just like not have violence, you know? I'm gonna end this before it gets crazy.